So I chose the Fitbit fitness and activity tracker with built-in GPS, heart rate monitor, and sleep and swim tracking. Now this watch, it has built-in GPS and you can actually see your pace and distance on the screen during your outdoor runs. It also allows workout intensity map, which will show your heart rate changes during that running route. Hello there, thanks for tuning in to Lee Healer Sports Massage. Let's talk about gift ideas. Let's focus on athletic gift ideas that are in a higher price point, over $100, and are great for that special guy in your life. We've already talked about recovery gift ideas, both under and over $100, so go check out those videos if you need other ideas. And if you see anything you like, a little bit of housekeeping before we tell you what's next. Use the links in the description to order whatever it is that caught your attention, because using those links not only does it get what you need really quick and easily, but it helps support us at Elite Healers and helps us make better videos for you. So the first fitness gift for him over $100 that I'm going to recommend is a long-term favorite workout tool of mine. This one is the TRX Go Suspension Training Kit, and it is available for $129.99 on Amazon.com. I have had a TRX kit for around 8 years now, and it has served me well. I highly recommend it to anyone. You can set it up anywhere. You have a stable structure you can hang it from. The handles also have loops so you can put your feet in it. So unlike gymnastic rings, you can use a TRX kit not only for your upper body, but you can also use it for your lower body. This one comes with a suspension training strap, indoor and outdoor anchors, 2 workout guides, a training poster, a mesh bag, and access to the TRX Training Club app. I know some of you do not need all of that extra, but it's there for those who need it and need the knowledge to really maximize their workout. So you get 90 days free on-demand videos when you register your kit to the TRX website. Experience, strength, cardio workouts, and more. And it's available for 90 days on demand for free from TRX. So you'll benefit from those on-demand videos as a side effect of getting this kit. So if you really enjoy this video and you want to see what's next, before you do that, make sure that you press down that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so by now. Next, let's talk about a simple tool that can help make all of your body weight training that much harder and is a great athletic gift idea. And what I'm talking about is an adjustable weighted vest. It can be found on Amazon in a range of price depending on how heavy the weight vest is. It's as cheap as $44 for a 20-pounder and up to $329 for a 100-pound weight vest. I believe a weight vest is great for anyone who trains seriously, especially if they're not heading to the gym. This vest has the option of coming with or without shoulder pads, and the weight you buy it at can be adjusted downward. So this means if you buy a 60-pound vest, you can adjust the weight to weigh less, but you cannot make it weigh more than 60 pounds. The way you buy it is the maximum weight that the weighted vest can be. So remember that fact when picking the amount of weight that you want in a weighted vest, but I'd highly recommend it for an athletic gift. Now here's a very popular item, and I had to pick just one brand to feature in this, so I chose the Fitbit fitness and activity tracker with built-in GPS, heart rate monitor, and sleep and swim tracking. Now this watch, it has built-in GPS and you can actually see your pace and distance on the screen during your outdoor runs. It also allows workout intensity map, which will show your heart rate changes during that running route. It also uses 24/7 heart rate monitor to track resting heart rate and better measure your caloric burn. So if you wear it more, it gets more accurate knowing your target heart rate zones, and that's what increases your accuracy. You can also sync your watch to your technology. You can sync it to mobile devices which require Bluetooth and internet connection. It syncs up with Mac OS X 12 and up, iPhone 5S and later, iPad 5 and later, Android 7 and later. So if you think this watch might be perfect for a special cardio king or queen in your life, then I totally recommend the Fitbit for them. So if any of these athletic gift ideas over $100 seem right for you, click on that link in the description to order what it is you need and support us. Now, one of the things I want you to do next is click on one of those videos that appeared next to me and enjoy more helpful content from our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.